Mission start!
The T2B melty honey is hard to penetrate. Use feel. Nice hit! The wound state dealt massive damage to the T2B melty honey.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Mission complete!
Dorumi, so you are the reinforcement from HQ.
Logistics Officer Aikawa Rumi, reporting for duty.
I see that big backpack again. Let me guess what you've packed. Steamed dumplings, dehydrated veggies, cherry radishes.
Food is very important for a long march. Of course I've packed plenty. But I also have something different for you. Look here.
These photos. They were taken during the war with Mort.
That's right. These combat photos are all we have left from the war. HQ hopes they can help you find a way to defeat the Morden army.
Mission start!
impressive, Major. It's been half a year since that air combat, but you recall the details so clearly.
Life and death experiences are never easy to forget.
My battle review report is ready. You can keep the photos. Preserve them carefully.
Marco, there's a deserted underground altar ahead. Lava crabs are thought to be mutated variants of the crabs offered at the altar. Do you think the lava gem might be there?
She's doing such careful analysis. Perhaps I should have some faith in her. I'll take a look. Find a safe spot to hide, kiddo.
No worries. No one can find a cat that doesn't want to be found, especially a cat from the Basset family.
Mission start! Thank you. Blizzard!
It's bullet time! Bullet time!
You're very welcome. Have some more.
Mission complete!
Those who cast greedy eyes upon the gems shall be punished by the gods. Modo, you best mind yourself.
I know it sounds ridiculous, but that just might be a 4,000-year-old.
He's the last pharaoh of Kamut, from over 4,000 years ago. Priestess Elia's research report mentioned him.
Priestess? Wonder if she means that girl searching for her father.
Despite her young age, Priestess Elia is very capable and competent. One of the best occultists in Kamut.
She's amazing! We wouldn't have made it here if not for her.
What else does she say in her report?
Major, there were tens of thousands of words in her report. Summarizing them is not easy.
If you'd like to hear more, we can take a trip to HQ.
Exactly. I flew the chopper here to fetch you guys. Officer Victor has something he wants to tell you in person. All right, the chopper is preparing for takeoff. Destination, Andrewtown.
Good to see you, sir. Your presence in the rear gives me peace of mind.
Save that for later. We've received new information. The remnants of the Morden army are relocating to Kamut. We have reason to believe they're seizing Kamut as their stronghold, posing a new threat to the world with the support of their allies.
There's a strange stone out there considered holy by Kamut locals. The enemy is also keeping a close eye on it.
This is an important discovery. I'll assign a research team for rapid component analysis. Restock on strategic supplies first. I will keep you updated. Mission complete!
Everyone all right? Bro, you saved us.
Father, I knew you would come to my rescue.
What do you think you're doing? I ordered you to go back.
Father, listen. Marco has obtained the lava gem.
What? You found the gem?
It was sheer luck, bro. Take her home and wait for my good news. I'll find the gems for you.
What do you mean?
Father, Marco means the regular army will help us eliminate the Pharaoh. We can go home now.
I don't have a home. Ilya, I'm very disappointed in you.
Father, please don't go.
This is the last time I'll tell you. Celine's death is for me to avenge.
Did I misspeak, kiddo? Want me to help get him back?
No, it's not your fault. I just don't get it. How could he say he has no home? Am I not his family?
Dry your tears, kiddo.
I don't want to be here anymore. Let's go.
Mission start!
You're very welcome! Have some more!
you! Frightened out of your wits by that rock!
The more we got from enemy bears, the more damage they will sustain.
Mission complete!
Yeah!
You are speedier than I thought.
You again?
Stop right here. This is your final warning.